Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound issue on your Philips PFS6939 TV. So if you can hear no sound on your TV, first of all check whether or not the mute button is enabled. So on your remote control, locate the volume control buttons right here and try pressing the mute and make sure that mute is disabled. Also try increasing the volume level, and if increasing the volume level does nothing and you can still hear no sound, then press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, then go to all settings. From here navigate down to sound menu, open it, then go to the advanced section, and here check the audio output. So maybe you're using the wrong audio output. Now for the TV will accept HDMI sounds. So if you want to hear the sounds from your TV, you should either use HDMI sound system or TV speakers plus wired headphones will also do the thing. Now if you are using an external sound device, then you should go to go to digital output format and select, try checking different formats in this menu and see which one works for you. And this way you should get the sound back to your TV. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.